Alright, so guys, I'm getting ready to make some chili. I have 3 different types of meat. I have a taco meat, I have a beef stew, and ground beef. And I'm feeling a little bit under the weather, but I really want to make this chili. I have chili beans, sweet corn, fire roasted tomatoes, tomato paste, northern beans, and black beans that I'm going to add in there, as well as a pack or two of the instant imitation beef broth. So I'm gonna cut up an onion and I'm gonna brown my meat, and I hope you guys stay tuned for the rest of this cooking with Adventures of Val. Love onions. Some other spices too. Some chili, some paprika, some garlic, and some parsley. So here's the meat I'm using, the onion stew, the ground beef, the taco meat, and the beef stew. So I'm gonna brown this up, take it out, I'm gonna put it in the crock pot here, and I'm gonna do the other meats like so, and then I'm gonna add all the beans and the corns and the seasonings and the sauces, and I'm gonna catch you guys back on the flip side. At this point, I'm gonna let the meats marry up and cook for about an hour. With the onions and the beef flavor. I've already seasoned my meat as I was sauteing it, and I'm just gonna let this cook on high for a little bit, and we're gonna go from there. And when I get ready to add the beans and the sauces, I'll pick you guys back up. I thought I had tomato paste. Can't be chili if you ain't got no chili sauce, no chili seasonings. paprika, which is nothing but dry chilies. That's more than parsley in there too. That is, I want to say, I think I added some cilantro in that parsley because it was almost out. My garlic is having an issue. And even though I added some salt to the meat, put some more in here. And give all of this a stir. And I'm gonna let it cook for about 4 hours. Catch you guys back on the flip side. So it's been 4.5 hours. This baby is cooking. Now, I didn't bring a great big spoon from home, and nor do I have one packed in the storage area. However, we're getting ready to put some of this in a bowl and get our yum on. So guys, I don't have any cornbread. I don't have any crackers. I left the crackers sitting right in the pantry. Looked right at them. Did not bring them. But here is the chili. It smells so good, y'all. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. It's hot. It's very hot. Yeah. Didn't bring any cheese. I don't know. I don't know what I was thinking. I knew I was going to make chili while I was out here. But why didn't I bring any cheese? Anyway, I have the chili. I'll give you guys the first bite because your girl might be under the weather, but she's still hungry. Almost to the point she's hangry. But let me try this. Every year, before I try this, give it a little bit more time to cool off. Every year I make chili, and I never follow the same recipe. I always either add more ingredients or more seasonings. So yeah, this time it's more ingredients and less seasonings. I probably because I wasn't home and I have a limited amount of seasonings, even though I have a bunch of seasonings on the rack, but I have a limited amount of seasonings for chili. Oh my God. I made a big pot because my family might come out tomorrow afternoon. Oh my God, y'all. Y'all, try this. Try it with these different types of meat. The different beans, the corn. Yeah, even though I didn't have the tomato paste. Yeah, this is good. Oh my gosh, y'all. I'm so sorry. This is delicious. All right, look, check this out. So I have the beef stew in there. I'm gonna go ahead, because I don't think it's as tender as I would want it to be. So I might leave the crock pot on low for, a couple more hours tonight. It can be a little bit more tender, but it's delicious. I don't want it overcooked. I don't want my beans mushy. I may leave it as such, but y'all, this is good. I'm sorry, y'all about to get all this in this part of the video. I'm not eating in this part. Now, I would say it's because I'm hungry, but because when I have a craving for chili during the summer times, I just go to Wendy's, grab me some chili, or one of the sandwich spots that has like chili and soup and stuff like that. But this right here, the black beans, the corn, the chili beans, the navy beans, yeah, And the crazy part, I got almost all the ingredients from the commissary, from that Freedom's Choice. And I know a lot of people, oh, I don't like Freedom's Choice, blah blah blah. Where's the lie that there's a difference besides the price? Anyway, I'm gonna eat my chili. I'm gonna take my meds. I'm gonna watch me some YouTube and have some Christmas movies playing in the background. And I'm gonna catch you guys on the flip side. Thank you guys for watching Adventures with Val. Thank you guys so much for my new subscribers. And also, happy holidays. And you guys be blessed and be safe. And keep rocking with your girl. I love you guys. Thank you for the love that you show me. And yeah, in a week, we'll be in a new year. So, but hey, you guys rock. And keep on trekking to your next campsite or your next outdoor adventure. Toodles!